Hey guys, it's Cuberstash, and today I have an unboxing for you from thecubicle.us. So, this is the Haze 7. Um, so I pre-ordered this puzzle like 3 weeks ago, but unfortunately the Cubicle shipment got stopped by customs, so it took an extra like 2 weeks to ship. But finally have it. Okay. So just have my receipt. There it is. Oh, that's cool. They have like the regular business card and then it's got like the Haze 7 stuff on the back. That's cool. Let's see. Nothing else in there. So, let's get this open. Very nice case. Alright. So, it looks like we have a few extra magnets and there's like these white washer things. I'm not sure what those are. And then I think you can kind of see there's like 4 large magnets and 2 small magnets. I'm not sure why that is. And it's got like a little booklet thing. It's got like some QR codes, some stuff about 7x7. And what's this? This is like instructions. Alright, let's get into the cube. Alright, so it's got standard Yushin stickerless shades. They look very nice. So it's a little bit dry out of the box, but already it's like way smoother. So I have here my old 7x7, which is the Alfu. And it's not terrible, but so it is just a little bit, the Haze 7 is just a little bit smaller. So that's nice. Yeah, that's really nice, even dry. And I did get the magnetic version. I feel like they might have like the bigger magnets on the inner layers. 'Cause the outer ones don't feel quite as strong. Alright, so I'll probably do a separate solve video because I don't want to do a solve right now. But there it is. That's the Haze 7M. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.